concert hut because after World War II, soldiers were coming back with tropical diseases, number one, that we'd never seen before, and number two, we had no idea how to treat them. And of course, one that you're very much aware of is malaria, and today we're still working on that. So I now work, actually, I used to work in the Bancroft Centre on the left there. That was named after a very famous medical family, the Bancroft and McCarris family. They did a lot of work with Indigenous health and tropical health. We had 140 scientists going into that. That then got full. And at the time, Clive Burkhofer from Toowoomba had a mate who was dying of prostate cancer. We had some treatments that had just started to come out of the basic research we were doing. And we said, we want to give them to people, but we've got nowhere to give them because you've got to prepare them in a particularly clean, super clean environment before you can inject them in. So he helped us build the building on the far right in 2001, the Clive Burkhofer, and on the fourth floor of that is actually a purpose-built hospital floor where we can inject the treatments. Most of them are something called cellular-based therapies. So in the first building, it was interesting. I worked in a common virus, so each one of you in your saliva have a virus you carry for life. We don't know why it doesn't kill you when every other virus, if it lasted that long, would kill you. We spent a lot of time going, so why do we find it in this organ? How does it interact with the immune system? We found out it infects a cell in the immune system. That's like going to Osama bin Laden and saying, can I be part of your harem, you know, and living through the experience. So we didn't know why it did that. We didn't know why we found it in cancer. So we spent about 10 years trying to look for, did it cause cancer? And after a while, we just gave up because we knew so much about how it stimulated the immune system. We knew that the immune system keeps it all under control in our body. And if we just gave immune cells to those people that had cancer, maybe those immune cells will just chew up that cancer and get rid of it. And guess what? They do. They do. We stopped looking for causes and just used our knowledge to actually give those cells to people. We're now trying that in all sorts of cancers, not just the main cancers we were working on. So that technique is being applied in that middle building, which is the 2012 building.